Hey you all, well, sitting here having my cookies and a glass of milk, I remembered that I've got to film an intro for a hashtag challenge put on by Jamie's Country Living, and the challenge is hashtag breads 2023. So I do have a wonderful bread recipe that I've just reworked for this video for Jamie so that it goes into her playlist. And if you'd like to be a part of this playlist, just contact Jamie at Jamie's Country Living. And of course, I'll have the link to her channel down below in the description. So please watch and enjoy and share out this video and share out Jamie's challenge. And I'll be back in a minute. and these rolls were absolutely delicious. And this is part of Jamie's Country Living, hashtag Breads 2023, and a wonderful, cheap and easy recipe that you can make in your bread maker. If you've watched this little video through to the very end, I thank you and I appreciate you so much. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and please do smash that little bell so that you get all alerts. If you are subscribed to my channel, please consider becoming a member of my channel. Memberships start at $1.99 US per month. Please don't forget to check out my merchandise store. Links down below in the description, and there's also a store tab here on my channel. So soft and fluffy and just perfect with just butter, but also would go great with honey or whatever. So if you watched this little video through to the very end, I thank you and I appreciate you so much. Take care, God bless, and until next time, bye bye! Dear viewer, if you love my channel and wish to support my ability to keep creating content, please consider becoming a member of my channel. As a member, badges will be displayed next to your name in live chats and on comments, and also you shall have access to exclusive content. Thank you so much. Dear viewers and fans of my channel, Arielle-Viking Venturer N Victuals, if you love my channel and wish to support me, please check out my merchandise, as I've recently opened a merchandise store on Teespring. Links are in the cards and the end screen, as well as being included in the description of this video. Thank you! So I'll ask you all, please do watch my videos through to the very end. Please do share my videos amongst all your friends and help my channel to grow. Also, in suggested videos after watching one of my videos, please click on one of my video links so that my video is suggested and helps my channel climb up higher in the search rankings. Thank you so much, and I love you all. For where two or three are gathered together in my name, there am I in the midst of them. Well, let's all get outdoors more and enjoy nature and take care of our environment. May my dream of moving to America come true. May the land of the free remain forever free. God bless America.